Okay, hello class, and welcome to our very exciting series on microeconomics. I'm your instructor Jamal Haider. Here we go. Yeah. So regarding my introduction, I am PhD in finance from Donghua University. Previously, I have done Chartered Financial Analyst (CFA). I'm level 3 qualified, and I also did MBA Finance as well. So this is my, I think, 6th year teaching micro and 7th year with the CIP as a whole. So I am a very, I have a very good experience with Donghua University. Beside that, I have also projects with European universities and other universities as well. But my purely, concentration of my lectureship is with the CIP, Center of International Program, Donghua University. So, of course, I welcome you all for this class. So here we go. I need to have your introduction. First, I think you are Mirko, right? Can you please introduce yourself, your nationality, your semester, and whether you have studied the micro before or not?
Yes, my name is Mirko. Yeah, and this is my 3rd semester here at CIP. And this is the first time I studied micro. So that's all.
Okay.
I'm ready to start.
Very nice, Mirko, very nice. Next one, I think it's Emma, right?
Yes, sir. My name is Ammar, and this is like my 4th semester in Donghua, and I haven't studied micro any of my 4 semesters.
Okay, the next one is Piranan.
Yes, my name is Piranan. I'm from Thailand. Right now, I am staying here for 3 semesters, and I've never studied microeconomics before. This is the first time I study.
Okay, well done, well done. So I now get the whole idea about my class. Okay, so let's talk about the exam policy. So the overall evaluation is like that 10% is your attendance, and attendance doesn't mean that you log on, you turn off your camera, and you go sleep, right? So that 10% may include quizzes. Now I would see that if you don't show your class participation and engagement, then I may add quizzes so that, to check your knowledge, to check your concepts among this 10%. And this 10% also include questions and answers, that live question and answer. Okay, if I have some kind of question, I can, take. So this question gonna be answered by Mirko or by Piranan or by Ammar, right? Please answer this question or redefine this kind of concept in your own, local economy or in your own country's perspective. And also, there's gonna be behavior in the class. So what constitute misconduct in the class? That would be, a separate file, a separate slide I would discuss in our coming slide. Number 2 is your assignment. Assignments are 30% of your evaluation. It's a big chunk. You see here, total 40% are in your hand, not in my hand. You attend the classes, you are engaged to the lecture, you are attentive, and you submit your assignment on time. Remember, on time. So you don't miss the deadline. If you miss the deadline, the assignment marks are 0. So normally there are going to be 5 assignments. So you can, guess that, okay, 6%, 6% of, of marks going to be of overall evaluation to this assignment 1. So they're going to be 5 assignments. Okay. So don't miss any assignment and respect the deadline. And midterm 30%, final 30%. So like I said, 40% is in your hand. All you need, 20% more, to get 60%, right? So I don't think so passing this course is very hard for you. So how I designed this course is, my perspective is learning perspective, not, to make this course so much difficult for you guys to pass. Even though you don't like economics, even though, I respect the nature, or I respect your personal attributes. Okay, somebody wants to, wants to be an artist, an actor, or going into the marketing stuff, or going into HR. So he has nothing to do with this economic stuff, right? So why to make this so hard? So passing marks are always those who have no interest in economics or future economics. For my understanding or my style of teaching is that at the end of this class, you actually learn something which you can apply in your real life, either to your own business, either to your on-job training, or for practical solution. So, and plus, my style of judging you guys in your examination is not like you need to write down this much lengthy definitions and steps and all the stuff. No, I would be giving you a case scenario, a little one case scenario, or true false or MCQs question, so that you can apply that knowledge in real life. That's it. That is my core learning process or core objective of this course. That's it. So that at the end, you learn something. That's it. So passing is not a big problem because 40% is in your hand. All you need to do, just perform a little in midterm and final so that you can get the 20% and you are passed, right? So passing in for this course is not a big deal. The big deal is you learn something, okay? So are we clear from this exam policy? And regarding the misconduct, what I consider the misconduct. Number one, class disruption. So for example, if you have a very friendly pet, so at my class, maybe he don't like me, he don't like economics, so he starts shouting. So what you can do, you can turn off your microphone. That's it, so that class is not disturbed. Or you are living in a very noisy street or beside, the highway road, and there are a lot of, traffics and, and all the stuff, noises. So you can turn off your microphone. Okay. And using cell phone in the class. That is highly not, I won't recommend you guys to use mobile phone during the class. So this is very disrespectful to teacher and also your fellow students. Like I'm speaking something and you are using this mobile phone. If there is really urgent message, what you can do, you can turn off your camera and turn off your microphone, and then you can type. Even if you turn off your camera and the mic is still on and you are typing the message and there's a voice, tuck, 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 which is very, annoying. And also this lecture is going to be recorded. It creates a lot of, disturbance in the class. Plus, use of foul language. I know you are young, very energetic. You love Hollywood movies and you love, to speak in that genre. Hey man, what the, what the, so please don't use that foul languages. Right guys? So are we agree on this misconduct? Mirko, Piranan, Amar?
Yeah. Yes, sir.
Yes, I agree.
Right?
Yes, I agree.
Regarding all those other stuff, you can always interrupt. Hey, Mr. Jamal. Hey, sir. Hey, dear. I don't understand this one. Can you please explain? I'm always available to explain. That's it, right? And that is my part to make you understand in a very easiest way what we are studying, right? So for understanding purposes, don't worry. That worry is mine. You are required to perform well on the basis of my preparation, right? So that I can guarantee that I will make you understand through different techniques. That is my job, to make you understand all the stuff, okay? So don't worry about that. Okay, so the course content, I have already uploaded to the BB. Here we go. Let me share screen with you. Here we go. So this is our course content, which I already uploaded to Blackboard. So you can see here, I wrongly included assignments, including quizzes. So quizzes may be the part of your class participation and attendance. Okay, it's not here. That's my mistake. I apologize for that one. So the main part here, you can just read it by yourself, the outcomes, explanation, study time, preferred book, mitigation circumstances. Here we go. So your question regarding the midterm is going to be on the 7th or 8th week of, from now, I think from 7th or 6th week from now on, right? So don't ask, so much question, dropping me email or message me, sir, when is the midterm, when is the midterm? It's already there in the syllabus, you can check it over there, right? We will also discuss time to time during the class if you want to, plan something, or if there is something, schedule something and you want to talk about that. So this is not, hard and fast rule. This is the policy. You can change according to your needs as well. If somebody is busy, genuinely busy or sick, because this is 30%, remember, midterm and final term is 30%. So I don't want, this one to ruin because you are, you have to travel somewhere and you are sick or something bad happened, bad luck happened. I want to reduce that chances, that probability, okay? So mind that one. And of course, we have standard 16 lectures. So the preferred way to contact is through, you can drop me an email. I have posted my email addresses. So I would prefer that you use Hotmail account, because Donghua University, oh, I made a mistake here, at only one, like Jamal CFA, only one at dhu.edu.ca, not double at, and jamalhcc@hotmail.com. So I would like, I would prefer that you use Hotmail account, because sometimes the Donghua University server is down and you send your email and I receive after 3 days, or maybe that goes to the server junk and then comes to my junk after 20 days or 30 days. So, but still you can send me the email. Plus, I would strongly recommend you send me the WeChat request. I will add you and contact me through WeChat personal ID, right? So that I would be available at your just one click. Okay, that would be the very fastest way, and also so that you don't, so that we can minimize the blame game. Okay, so I give you the email, you don't reply me in this weekend, because in weekend I was outstation, I don't have net, I couldn't reply you. But if as soon as I have a net, I will reply you. So that kind of stuff is just eliminated. Okay, so you can just drop me WeChat message and I can just reply you. Plus, you can also send me your email, your assignments directly on my personal ID of WeChat. Okay, so if in your country WeChat is making trouble, then I would suggest you go for Hotmail. Okay, otherwise, if you feel comfortable using WeChat, do contact me on WeChat. If you don't feel using WeChat comfortable, then you can drop me email. Okay, so I'm very comfortable regarding to what you feel comfortable. Okay, so do me a favor, if you didn't send me the WeChat request, send me now. Okay, so the preferred textbook gonna be Principles of Economics by Moncrief. Sorry guys. Okay, the preferred, we talked about the preferred textbook is Principles of Economics by Moncrief, and the second textbook is Principles of Economics by Case, Fair, and Oster. So you don't need to worry about to purchase this book, because I would be sending the book chapters, the reading material on BB and the Blackboard and on WeChat simultaneously. So I would be running both platforms simultaneously, Blackboard and WeChat. Okay, so you can download this PPT, book chapters, assignments, this course content, and the links of my YouTube lecture. This lecture I would be uploading right after this class. I would be uploading to YouTube and sending you the links